you guys? It's the girl L.
It's your boy Fat.
It's the boy Wayne.
And tonight we having steak, shrimp, bacon, and chicken.
Loaded mashed potatoes. Let's get into it.
Tonight for dinner we will be having loaded mashed potatoes. So y'all, let's get into it. We got special guests.
Okay, y'all. So I got steak right here, and I'm finna clean it. Okay, y'all. Now so I got my steak all nice and clean. Now it's time to season it. Okay, so y'all, I'm started with my natural season.
No, you open it right here.
Alright.
Right here, son. What's up, you guys? Girl Quay. Y'all, I got these kids in here cooking tonight. Okay, he put in natural seasoning and tell them what you going to next.
And then that one I'm going to
I always open a little flour.
then I'm going to season oil. Okay. Now I'm going to acid. I think.
Can I come in there? Can I do it again?
Now y'all see my meat all nicely and beat it. Now my mama about to cut it because we can't play with it.
No.
Okay, you guys. So we got the chicken right here, the chicken breast, and I'm about to wash the chicken. Get all that water out there. Turn the water on. Let's open the chicken. Yes, I already washed my hands before I started cooking. And I'm washing the chicken, the breast chicken. Yep. Okay. Okay, guys. So now we got the meat all nice and clean. Yes. So now we're gonna, season it and I guess start cooking. Okay, you guys. So now that the meat is nicely cut, we're gonna cook the chicken. Okay, guys. So now we got the pan on for the chicken, and so now I'm gonna put the olive oil in the pan. Okay. And then I'm gonna put the chicken in the pan if I can get it out. Okay. Okay, guys. So here we are mixing the chicken. Make sure y'all show some love. Show some love. Because I want that pink lime number. And I'm getting the pink one because it's my favorite color. Yes. My first favorite color is pink, blue, then purple, then yellow. So let's just, vibe, cook.
Okay, y'all. So now the steak cooking. Now I'm about to put olive oil on it, and then we're gonna let it cook. So now you got to mix it up to get all the whatever it's called.
Olive oil.
Yeah, olive oil all around the thing.
You ain't.
And then bowl and wash it.
Okay.
Now that turns what I'm about to season them. I will season with season on.
Oh.
By the way, I said so.
Okay, this enough.
I need to see that. Now when cooking, put this olive oil in the pan and then and it's hot.
Okay, go ahead and do it.
Other Toba and Widow.
Okay, y'all. So now since the steak's done, my part is done. Thanks for watching, and it's your boy Fat.
My trip done. Thanks for watching. And just more Wayne. So now that the chicken is done, we're gonna cut the bacon up, and we're gonna go to the next thing. I'm about to put butter and salt and salt. This stuff with water to make the mashed potatoes. I'm about to put butter and salt and salt in water.
All right.
So my mom about to pour the mashed potatoes inside the pot.
You ready? Come on.
Now I'm about to add milk into it. Stir it up. It's done. Thanks for watching. The bacon, get it to it.
Hold it. Got more.
Stir it up. The bacon that take for a while. Bye.
Okay, y'all, this is the dinner that the kids have prepared. The mashed potatoes, the shrimp, the chicken, and the bacon. Shout out to my kids, okay? Period.